Actually, patent is not a legal right. It's a legal right and not an income. That's mean if you are getting that certificate, patent certificate like this, you don't have any earning from that. You need to commit. You know that this is a rough figure. Even in developed countries, only 95% of patents make money. So, developing countries like us, it's 0.0 value. That means you need to commit to commercialize your patents and you need to understand what is the method of commercialization. Commercialization equals your bridge from idea to income. You can convert these patents to income. Here in this webinar, I will explain 7 proven ways to earn from your patent. Okay, those are multiple revenue streams. First, start your own business. Second, license it to a company. Third, assign or sell your patent rights. Use as a loan collateral. Partner with patent monetization firms. Use in a joint venture. Hire a third-party manufacturing company. I will explain one by one. First, start in a business. Building a business around your patent. I think it's a difficult job. Sometimes you may be a good entrepreneur, sometimes may not. Therefore, you need to carefully think about that. That's why we put this red line. That means it has a risk. Risk level is high. So, develop product or service from the invention and secure funding using patent as an asset. Gain market traction and long-term retain full ownership. By starting your company, your ownership 100% ownership with you, but the thing is risk is there. Second, licensing your patent. That is the low risk decision. Why? That is a low risk revenue because you are not the person who will start that business. You just connect ask with ask from a licensing partner to get your patent and pay royalty to use your patent. This can be exclusive or non-exclusive. That's mean exclusive means assume that you have a Sri Lankan patent and you are connecting with the licensing partner in Sri Lanka. So exclusive means only one partner you are selected. Non-exclusive means in that agreement you write, yes, I have several opportunities to work with other licensing partners. So you have space to discuss with others as well. So there are several partners in one territory. In that case, sometimes you can ask upfront fee and recurring royalties maybe for several years. Actually, your ownership goes beyond actually until 20 years. So you can you can select a person up to 20 years. This is common in pharmaceutical, technology, and manufacturing industries. Third, selling your patent. Selling means actually you don't have any kind of ownership for no more ownership, but it's fast cash. If you want to exit from your technology territory, so you can sell. It's one-time sale of IP right and useful for short-term capital. Attract manufacturers, corporates, or startups. You can ask from them to sell your patent. Number 4, using a patent as a collateral. Fundraising through IP. In Sri Lankan sector, it is very hard. Actually, recently I asked with one of the bank in Sri Lanka, so actually they don't allow to get this patent right as a collateral. But the thing is, in some countries it's allowed, and actually we are supporting funding, make funding connections. So I know that when I write funding applications, uh, key part is having a IP right patent. So actually, this is not just a paper. Your IP rights can be you can value. You can generate value from that. Banks, VCs, and some grant or programs allow it. Okay. Number five, working with monetization firms, IP commercialization agencies. In our company, we also act as an IP commercialization company. We handle licensing, sales, enforcement, all those things, and we take percentage of earning. And actually, we also get upfront fee, a small upfront fee for our commitment. So there are companies like that, patent commercialization agencies. It's very hard to find in Sri Lanka, but in other countries you can find IP commercialization agencies. Number six, use in a joint venture. That is a partnership. Actually, strategic growth through partnership. You can collaborate with other firm and enter into new market. Contribute to your pet as a value asset and share profit, share risk and resources. Ideal for scaling without full operation burden. In that case, you need to connect with external partners and you can share your resources and profits, risk, all these things can be shared. What is the benefit for this is next party is having skills, market, experience, and sometimes maybe capital more than you. So you can easily come up with the final successful situation with correct correct partner. Number seven, find third party manufacturer. Third party manufacturers can be produce your product with your label. You need to find a suitable distributor. No capital required. In Sri Lanka, actually, this is a great opportunity because when you start a company, you need to build your company. You need to recruit people, and you need to develop the system. Maybe ISO 9001, maybe GMP, and also you need to comply with all the tax compliances, legal compliances. So it's very hard job. Therefore, some of the people just contact third-party manufacturer and you need to find credible partner with ISO and other certifications and registered party, maybe in other country. So you can easily start your business without having initial capital. So this is also great. But the thing is, you need to find distribution channel because third-party manufacturers don't provide that kind of facility. So you need to find distribution channel network. You need to connect with them. Okay. Until this, we discussed 7 proven ways to commercialize your patent. So, from this point, I will explain basic steps to commercialize your patent. Here, first thing is validate your patent. Maybe market, need, IP scope, and create commercialization plan. Develop prototypes. Conduct market research. identify earning model, and execute a start license sale. That means set of activities are there we need to follow. So in this graph, you can see technology readiness level. Sometimes you may know that technology readiness level. In technology readiness level, this set of activities are listed from it marked from 1 to 9. Actually 0 to 9, 0 is an idea stage. So first research part, then development part, and finally deployment part. In research part, there are three main activities. First, basic principles observed. Second, technology concept formulated. Third, experimental proof of concept. That means this is at the laboratory stage. So you develop your product maybe in house, maybe in your laboratory within your scope. That means you and your immediates are there. Then development stage. If you are happy and confident about this research phase, then you go to this development phase. Number 4, 5, 6. Technology validated in a lab. Technology validated in a relevant environment. And technology demonstrated in relevant environment. This is very important. Actually, this development stage is missed for some of the innovations. So, assume that you are producing agricultural drone. So, first you validate your basic functionality in your laboratory. Then you pick that agricultural drone into your paddy field and test. That is technology validated in relevant environment. That environment is it's windy, rainy, muddy, sunny, all those things are there. Then, if you're happy and you fine tune your technology with that environment, you come up with technology demonstrated stage in a relevant environment. That means first you validated and demonstrated means you now introduce into others. That means demonstrate to others. Then finally, when you complete research and development stages, finally you come to deployment. Now you are ready to commercialize. But are you trying to introduce your product to the market at once? No. Actually, you need to develop a system. What are the other critical equipments you need? You need to develop system prototype demonstration in operational environment. Sometimes you may select some of the farmers and introduce how to use, and you can observe what is the result of that. Sometimes you can make feedback loop. You can call them, ask them what is the feedback of them. Then number 8, system complete and qualified. Once you complete this technological side, then you need to check quality assurance and other certifications, legal compliances as well. Then finally, actual system proven in operation environment. Number 9, that's mean you just introduce few orders to farmers, maybe in several villages, and call feedbacks and observe their results as well. So this is deployment. So technology readiness level is a very important thing of your patent. When assume that you select to Asian Novelty as a patent commercialization firm, definitely we ask questions from you and we map your patent. What is your stage of your TRL, technology readiness level? If you are at the number 3 level, actually we can't try to commercialize at this stage. we need to guide you to get pass these steps and make develop your confidence about your product. Okay, how to find licensing partner? The method is outreach and negotiation. But the thing is, when just when just getting your technology qualification and go to negotiation is actually useless thing. So they in their side we need to ready what are their problems and we need to answer their problems. Okay, so in this research, you need to identify companies in your niche and use the LinkedIn, industry events, B2B platforms, and send a teaser, non-disclosure agreements, and negotiate royalty terms, maybe rate, duration, territory, exclusivity, like that. Okay, a good teaser. When you introduce your product, service to outsider, the teaser is an important thing. It's a short, non-confidential summary document or presentation that gives potential partners or investors just enough information to get interested in your patent or invention without disclosing critical technical details or trade secret. Okay, in this case, it will include title of the invention, brief description of the problem it solves, benefits, advantages, potential applications, market potential, patent status, a simple image, and your contact details. Okay, and normally in this field, pitch deck is prepared for this. What is the pitch deck? This is a very short presentation. You have actually, when your investor or licensing partner gives you time, this time may be limited to 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So within that short time limitation, you need to pitch your patent or invention. So in this pitch deck, basic details are as follows. Maybe 10, 12 slides may be enough. So first, purpose, vision, target audience, the problem you solve and what is the solution and commercial model, your pricing structure, your market analysis, market viability, and evidences of success, future growth, unique advantages, and especially the team, showcase the team, talent, skills, hiring plans. That means if you are a credible set of people like that. Then to develop that kind of teaser, pitch deck, what kind of information you need. So background research is there. These are the main things you need to find. Research before you pitch. What is your exact uniqueness? To find this uniqueness, you need to get basic market research. You need to maybe desk research. In our case, we are doing desk research for you to find unique value of you. And also patent research, patent search also important thing. If you want to go to Indian market, actually we are checking Indian database and also international databases for you because it is very important. Your contacting person will ask that kind of questions from you. And market size and market trend. Competitor analysis. In market research and from patent search, you can get some details about competitors and existing solutions. And by getting these details, you can map what is your exact uniqueness, unique value proposition of yours. Then cost benefit of your invention. and production feasibility, and who is investing in similar intellectual property and commercialization strategy. This kind of background research you need to get basic data to develop your decent pitch deck. In Sri Lanka, we recently collected some of the details published in the web, that is the government agency, who gave gold medals to some of the inventors. So we collected maybe 50 number of names from that website, from the government website, and we wanted to connect them. At that case, actually only 4 or 5 people were there in Facebook or LinkedIn. So it's very hard to find people online. In Sri Lanka, I think it's very hard because some of the professionals are there, but the thing is, normal innovators, inventors, entrepreneurs, maybe not present in Facebook, LinkedIn, that kind of social media. It's very hard to find. So, uh, actually, when you introduce your invention to other country, definitely they will check your profiles. So, most important thing is create your LinkedIn profile, and sometimes you can make a small website for you and start your postings. You need to showcase actually you are in that field and you are tech enthusiastic, technopreneur like that. Uh, Technological and yourself, your technology relationship can be showcased in your social media, and you can join with innovation and inventors groups in maybe LinkedIn or Facebook and publish thoughts of pieces, demo videos to them. Use platforms like Asian Novelty. Actually, we also have that kind of platform to showcase your invention and attend patent and startup expos. You can connect with similar people, potential people. Networking is a very important thing for this. When you develop relationship, actually, your presentation skills and other things also are well recognized by them. And your team also very important. They check whether your team is credible and they can connect with you, and if they are an investor, then definitely he will think that are you a credible set of people, and you have strength to drive this initiative. Likewise, you need to showcase digitally that kind of things to find a good partner for that. So in our platform, we recently supported these people, maybe technology related and maybe verbal formulas. Likewise, we have several examples, and here I will explain other services we provide: patent, trademark, industrial design registrations, international patent applications, that means PCT applications, patent commercialization, market research. You can connect with IP lawyers, and you can connect with funding, company registrations, and we have some list of venture capitalists. And recently we developed our platform. We connect with Indian contract manufacturing companies and several Sri Lankan contract manufacturing companies. If you need that kind of help, you can help. We can support you. And in our case, this is our contact details in our Asian Novelty website. You can go through that website and find details. We are located in Homagam, Sri Lanka, and these are our contact details. If you want, you can get. And in this April, we have Sinhala and Tamil New Year in Sri Lanka. So we offer 40% discount for patent drafting for individual and SME. companies, but this is not valid for international patents or large companies, only for SMEs and inventors. So yeah, actually I finished my presentation. Uh, uh, if you have any question, you can ask now, and in our we are adding your team to our Asian Novelty WhatsApp group. If you are not willing to go further, you can exit from that. You have questions now. We have time to answer to you. Please ask any questions if you have. If you want to get more knowledge about more questions about patent system, if you have an idea about to apply patent, I can support you. You can ask any question regarding patent or patent commercialization or any other service we provide. This is my personal number, not 772377 172, and this is my personal email. So personal means I'm using for my company works. So you can call me or write me for this. This is info@asiannovelty.com. This is for Dulani's email. I think Dulani contacted you to send details to you. So if you have any problem, you can connect with us. Okay, then we will stop from here. Thank. We'll send recordings. Okay.